Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing today? This is Lava Temptress and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome, hi! So today we're going to be talking about another Humble bundle that was just released, and this one is a software bundle. Well, they're books on software to be exact, even though it's called a software bundle. So it is a book, it's the STEM Productivity Library by Mercury. And if this is your kind of thing, this is definitely a worthy bundle in my opinion. I've taken a look at them, but you definitely want to check them out and see what you think. So it is $1,095 worth of awesome stuff, but of course you can start with just $1. The nice thing about these are two things. One, they're DRM free, which means you can have them on multiple devices all at the same time. So you can have it on your computer, your laptop, your iPad, your phone, whatever. All of them at the same time and read them differently. But they're also multi-formatted, so they will work with the apps, or most of the time on PC, you're going to use it with like a PDF. And PDF can be read quite a bit of places. So that's the nice thing. This will always tell you how much time you have left, and you can click here to get a little reminder sent to your email before the bundle's over, and that'll tell you, just give you a reminder, like it suggests, to come check it out in case you need to take a look at it later because you're busy or whatever. So you can click here to get the bundle, or you can take a look down below. So let's see what's in here. We're just going to do a brief overview. You can come take a look. So for $1, you get all these books up here at the top. And if you're new to Humble Bundle, the way this works is these are in tiers. So this is $1 tier today, $8 tier, $15 tier, and that is our highest one. So if you purchase whatever tier you purchase, you'll get everything above it. So for $8 you'll also get the $1 tier, and for $15 you would also get the $8 and $1 tier. So let's see what is actually in here. So first of all, we have 3D character development workshop. So you can click here to check out a PDF preview. I don't show them to you because most of the time they're not really that interesting unless you're going to read through it. So that's why I don't show you that. But you can also read through here and check out more of what the book is about to make sure it's something you're actually interested in before you purchase any of the bundles. I do have a link down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you purchase it, I do make a little bit of money, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. So if you use that, I just want to say thank you very much. And if not, you can always go to humblebundle.com and purchase them there. Alright, so in the $1 bundle, we also have 3D printing. It includes the supplemental materials, so does the 3D character development workshop. Next book is Basic Electromagnetic Theory. Sorry, not therapy. Thought that sounded weird. Next we have Data Cleaning Pocket Primer, and it also includes the supplemental material. Next is the Electrical Engineering Exam Prep. Then we have the Finite Element Analysis, which also includes supplemental material. We have Python Programming, which includes supplemental material, Quantum Mechanics, and SAP Transition Codes. Now that is it for the $1 bundle, but then we have the $8 bundle tier. I don't know why I keep calling them bundles, but it's tier. So for $8, you would also get Access 2019 Pocket Primer, and it includes the supplemental materials, AI Basics, which is Artificial Intelligence Basics. And again, if you can read more about it because, sometimes that's a little bit vague. Next, we have Hazardous Waste Management Systems, 2nd edition. It includes the supplemental materials. Next is Mathematics for Computer Graphics and Game Programming. Next, we have the Numerical Methods in Engineering and Science. Next is Photoshop Elements 2018, and it includes the supplemental materials. Next, we have the Radar Systems and Radio Aids to navigation. Then we have software quality assurance, then solid state physics, and artificial intelligence and expert systems. Now that is it for the $8 bundle, but then we have the $15 bundle tier, you know what I mean. Alright, so for $15 you would also get AutoCAD 2021 3D modeling, and that includes the supplemental materials. And if you know anything about CAD, the fact that this is a teaching book and it includes the materials, that right there is probably worth it. Then we have cluster analytics and data mining, includes the supplemental materials. Data analysis for business decisions, and that is the second edition. Data structures and program design using Python. Industrial engineering foundations. Newtonian mechanics. Optics, an introduction. Structural steel design, third edition. Tensor analysis for engineers, second edition. Treating cancer with immunotherapy. I've heard good things about that. Don't know though. And up here it actually says, and targeted therapy. And last we have XML Basics. Now, of course, supporting Humble means you also support a charity. So for this one, it is WDC, Whale and Dolphin Conservation. Now to check out, you're going to go down here. You choose whatever tier that you want to purchase, even if it's the $8. If it's anything other than the top tier, it'll always pop up a warning. That's perfectly fine. It's just telling you that you're not going to get the other tiers, so it just wants you to know that. And if that's the tier you want, don't let it bully you. It's fine, just get it. The add to cart is only for Humble Choice. You do not have to have that in order to purchase a bundle. And then here is where you can either send it as a gift, make it anonymous, or of course if you're purchasing for yourself, then you would either pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. And that is it. This is a cute little STEM bundle. Don't know that I would say cute. I don't know. I'm in a weird mood. You'll have to excuse me. But it is a STEM bundle and has lots of learning materials. So if this is your thing, definitely check it out. And yeah, thank you again. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Till next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned. Bye!